Ever wondered which countries you can travel to without a visa? As globetrotters, we always have that innate curiosity, don't we? Well, buckle up, because today we're going on a virtual tour around the world, exploring the top 20 countries you can visit without the need for a visa. Starting off at number 20, we have the United Kingdom. Famous for its rich history, iconic landmarks, and a royal family that is known worldwide, the UK offers an array of experiences that cater to all kinds of travelers. Next up, at number 19, we have Norway. Known for its breathtaking fjords, northern lights, and a culture deeply rooted in Viking history, Norway is a paradise for nature lovers and history buffs alike. Coming in at number 18 is Greece. With its ancient ruins, mouth-watering cuisine, and beautiful islands, Greece is a destination that promises an unforgettable travel experience. Switzerland takes the 17th spot. Famous for its stunning landscapes, ski resorts, and delicious chocolates, Switzerland is a haven for those seeking a blend of adventure and relaxation. At number 16, we have Belgium. Renowned for its medieval towns, Renaissance architecture, and of course waffles and chocolates, Belgium is a feast for your senses. Moving on to number 15, we have Ireland. Known for its lush landscapes, castles, and a rich tradition of folklore and storytelling, Ireland is a country that feels like something straight out of a storybook. Next on the list, at number 14, is the Netherlands. With its iconic windmills, tulip fields, and canal-lined cities, the Netherlands offers a unique blend of history and modernity. Portugal comes in at number 13. Famous for its stunning beaches, historic cities, and delectable cuisine, Portugal is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be discovered. Austria secures the 12th spot. Known for its beautiful landscapes, rich cultural history, and classical music, Austria offers a refined travel experience. At number 11, we have France. With its iconic landmarks, world-class cuisine, and renowned art and fashion, France is a destination that needs no introduction. Moving into the top 10, at number 10, we have Sweden. Known for its stunning archipelagos, modern design, and a strong emphasis on sustainability, Sweden is a destination that combines natural beauty with innovation. Spain comes in at number 9. Famous for its vibrant culture, historic landmarks, and delicious food, Spain offers an immersive travel experience. At number 8, we have Denmark. Known for its minimalist design, fairy tale castles, and a strong emphasis on work-life balance, Denmark offers a balanced travel experience that caters to a variety of tastes. Luxembourg takes the 7th spot. With its medieval castles, beautiful landscapes, and a rich history, Luxembourg is a hidden gem that promises a unique travel experience. At number 6, we have Italy. Famous for its rich history, delicious cuisine, and stunning landscapes, Italy is a country that offers a feast for the senses. Finland. Known for its pristine nature, northern lights, and a culture that values simplicity and functionality, Finland offers a unique blend of natural beauty and design. Germany takes the 4th spot. Famous for its historic landmarks, vibrant cities, and a rich tradition of music and philosophy, Germany offers a diverse travel experience. At number 3, we have South Korea. Known for its modern cities, historic palaces, and a rich culinary scene, South Korea is a destination that seamlessly blends tradition and modernity. Singapore comes in at number 2. With its stunning skyline, multicultural society, and a food scene that's hard to beat, Singapore is a destination that caters to all kinds of travelers. And finally, at number 1, we have Japan. Known for its rich cultural heritage, technological innovation, and a cuisine that has gained global recognition, Japan is a destination that offers an immersive travel experience. To recap the top 5, we have Finland, Germany, South Korea, Singapore, and Japan. These countries not only offer visa-free travel but also a rich array of experiences that cater to all kinds of travelers. Remember, visa-free policies can change, so always double-check with official sources or embassy websites before planning your travels. Happy globetrotting!